Namaskar and a very happy International Yoga Day to all of you. Today we have gathered here to celebrate a timeless treasure, a 5,000-year-old revolution of wellness that began in the sacred land of India, now embraced by millions across the world. International Yoga Day, declared by the United Nations in 2014, is not just a date, it is a global awakening, a moment that began with a powerful vision. Let us remember that yoga is a sacred journey inward, a path that connects us to our true self. The word yoga means to unite. And what is this union? It is the union of the body, mind, and soul. And beyond that, the union of the individual self with the universal spirit. It is the remembrance that we are not separate from this world, but intimately connected with all life. In the chaos of daily living, when we are pulled in many directions, yoga becomes our anchor. It teaches us to pause, to breathe, and to return to the stillness within. This stillness is full of clarity, peace, and divine presence. Yoga is not just about becoming physically strong, it is also about becoming strong in mind and flexible in heart. So, on this International Yoga Day, let us remember that the greatest journey is not outward, but inward, towards peace, towards awareness, and ultimately towards union with the divine. When we chant Om, we connect to the cosmic vibration. When we do Surya Namaskar, we honor the sun, the source of all energy. This is the true spirit of yoga. It is the practice that unites us with nature and with each other. Let us not limit yoga to just one day. Let us make it a daily ritual. Even if it's just 5 minutes of deep breathing, one round of Surya Namaskar, and a moment of gratitude and stillness. Today, let us express our gratitude to all our dedicated yoga teachers for keeping this flame of yoga alive. Let us honor their efforts by practicing with full awareness today. Wishing you all a transformative International Yoga Day. Thank you so much.